Hi everybody, welcome to another exciting edition of AllSports Daily Fix with me, Alex. On Saturday, rivals Toronto FC and Montreal played to a draw of 1-1. In the waning moments of the game, Montreal's Felipe Martins goes down. Bendik, unimpressed with that little show, decides to take matters and Martins into his own hands when he picks him up. Martins is also not too enthused by that and decides to go after Bendik. And I'm like, what is your problem? Seems Bendik mysteriously healed Martins. What about that? Referee abandons game in Peru when 5 players fake injury at the same time. Now there's a difference between poor sportsmanship and clear game manipulation. Well, it seemed the latter was the case in a Copa Peru semi-final game between Defensa Bolivar and Defensa La Bucana. According to local media, it seems the Boulevard 5 players faked the injury at the same time, and it was a strategy to get the referee to abandon the game when they realized they were losing 4-1. Already, Boulevard has sent off 2 players, and this new development would have meant that the opposing team would have had to field 7 of their players. Did they get away with it? I don't think so. The officials are still deciding how to punish Boulevard for this smart thinking, maybe?
Every day be I dey pray to God. All that I need be what to chop. I dey need some dough to stay alive. I dey won't work hard to just survive. Every day be I dey pray to God.
Blazmakovic pulls off most difficult shot in basketball history ever. Angles and basic laws of physics are no match for Blazmakovic after he scored one of basketball's most difficult shots ever. Makovic, who plays for Slovenian side Union Olimpija, chased down the teammates' loose 3 points. He looped a one-hander shot that fell straight into the net without his foot touching the baseline. Absolutely impressive.
Povratna za Makovića ponovo. Proba za 3 poena. Sada je on podbacio, ali bori se Maković. Neverovatno! Neverovatno! Kakav koš! No, kakav koš! Ovo je vrhunac današnje utakmice.
I bet Michael Jordan would be very proud of that shot. So don't be surprised if you find Air Makovic's flying off in shelves in a shoe store near you. Hope you liked today's stories. Remember that you can catch these stories and all your latest sports news on www.allsports.com.gh. Guys, as always, like I've been telling you, it's a blast. So see you soon. Mwah.